Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new video. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me for a graduation ceremony. Before I get started, let me show you guys the outfit that I'll be wearing today. So it is I would say mini floral dress, and it does have a split to the side, as you guys can see. And so let's get into the makeup aspect of today's video. I bought this concealer at Corey's Hazel, and it is an all night long full coverage concealer. It was for $3. So this is the first time I'll be using a concealer and a concealer alone. And this concealer matches my shade perfectly. I'm just gonna let it sit for a couple seconds because I'm using this as well as a foundation. I'm not going to let it dry before I brush it in. So now I'm gonna go ahead off camera with a damp brush and mix it in. So the contour is blended in. The concealer, right? It's a concealer. Sorry if I said contour before. The concealer is blended in, and you guys can tell a difference. I can tell a difference in my skin and how I looked before versus now. So the next thing I'm going to do is to shape my eyebrows, and I'm going to use this concealer just to keep it inside of that little area. Now mind you, I am new to this whole concealer foundation. Situation. So while this is drying or doing its thing, I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner and lip liner pencil. What I am doing is just to make my eyebrows look fuller. That's it, and then I will just make them look neat once I'm done. Right. I'm gonna go ahead with this. This is my previous mascara brush. There's nothing on it, and just kind of brush these out. And now I'm going to blend in the concealer. This is what I am doing. I'm dragging the concealer down to my eyelids. Okay, the concealer is supposed to give like a sharp look to it. I think it did. Alright, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to line my under eye and my eyelids. You see the difference? One eye done. I'm just going to repeat the same thing on the other side. Now this one here looks like I got a black eye, and this one here looks really nice. It looks, you see this one looks more elevated, like it's more open, and this one is like, let's try to change it up. That's what we're sticking with. It looks different, but hopefully the mascara and the eyeshadow will even it out. I'm going in with this mascara, Amplify waterproof mascara. As I keep saying, I'm not a pro at makeup. I just am beginner level. So that is done. I'm gonna add eyeshadow. It's the same palette I had from last year. This last year was the reason why I bought this palette for the graduation last year. So still have it, and it's still in pretty much good condition. I'm gonna be using this color right here as the overall color, and I'm gonna try to put in some of this pink right here. It gives off this gold look, and as you guys can see, parts of this have yellow flowers in it, so everything is matching. This is my problem. I never know when they look like the same, so I'm always thinking that one has more or one has less than the other. I'm gonna close my eyes for a second and then I'll see. I think this one's a bit shinier, so right at the tip here. Then I'm gonna go in just a little bit, just to accentuate the entire eyeshadow look with this color here. I will go with this one, but it's very light. I want some representation of the red, so I'm going in with this. It. It don't have to come true or be seen. I just the idea of it, knowing that it's there.
Callie, what's the word?
Now that is done, I do not have any blush. Don't think it's necessary though. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. And I'm gonna be using this. I'm not gonna be putting any lipstick or anything that shows color. I just want to be a simple look.
Pushing on my buttons with no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. Tell me where we going, pick a destination. Gas me up, give me motivation. Pushing on my buttons with no hesitation. Gas me up.
Alright, that is the final makeup look. I think it looks good, but you guys will be the judge of it. Let me know what I should improve on or reduce on the amount of whatever I'm using too much of. But let's put on the shoe as you guys see entire outfit. So these are the shoes that I'll be wearing. They are called Soul Naturalizer. They are very comfortable, very. So let me just put them on. Give me a second. So this is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for coming along with me, and I'll see you guys in